When shipping to a free trade agreement or FTA partner country, you will need to have documentation stating that the shipment qualifies for the FTA tariff rate. This documentation is referred to as a certificate of origin. The actual form can vary depending on the agreement and your buyer's preferences. It may be a specific form, a statement on company letterhead, or information added to the commercial invoice. If your buyer has requested a specific format, get a sample to use as a template. In this tutorial, we'll explain the common elements included on a certificate of origin. Start by including the legal name and contact information for the importer, exporter, and producer of the shipment. Next, add the date of the certification. In the case of a blanket certification, specify the period that the certification covers as allowed by the FTA. Once that is completed, you'll need to describe how the product qualifies. First, indicate the HS code that the importing country uses for your product. Second, include a description of the good and make sure it closely matches the description for the HS code you are using. Third, add the country of origin. It must be a country within the FTA area. Fourth, describe the preference criterion, which is how the product qualifies through a rule of origin. The agreement will specify your options. Include the rule of origin text if possible. Options here may be a term such as wholly obtained, or product-specific rules of origin, or a letter code such as A, B, or C that corresponds to one of the terms. If using a product-specific rule of origin, describe how you determined the requirement was met. If you need more information on how to qualify for a trade agreement tariff preference, visit trade.gov. Finally, include the name of the certifying person and the person's contact or other identifying details. That person should then sign the document. Now that the certificate of origin is ready, you can benefit from the free trade agreement and complete the sale to a foreign buyer.